Well, hello, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our cooking channel. Of course, my husband and I are always trying to come up with something wonderful and fun to cook. And you know, we always make it happen. And what we're doing today is, it is Chicken Cajun Stroganoff. And I also have apple sausage. Chicken apple sausage. Oh my goodness, are they yummy. And what we're doing first, of course, my wonderful husband, the cameraman, has got our Dutch oven. We're doing this today in a 10-inch Dutch oven. He's preheating it over coals with about 3 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil. And then I'm going to be sauteing and browning my chicken breasts. And these are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I did 2 of them. And then 4 of these apple chicken sausages that are really good. And they're not very big, so that's why I did 4. And also we're going to be putting in some fresh mushrooms that I've gone ahead. And these are your little brown portobello mushrooms. And 1 onion that's coarsely chopped. And all kinds of wonderful spices. And what I like to do, especially we always do this usually when we're up in the mountains camping, is I go ahead and measure everything, put it in a bowl, and then take it along with me, the same way with the mushroom, the onions, and the chicken. Just get everything prepared ahead of time. And I wanted to let you know, which a lot of you probably already do this, is I buy a lot of my spices bulk from a local co-op or natural health food store because they're a lot tastier and you can buy them in bulk, and most of the times they're cheaper. Anyway, so we're going to put in onion in there, cumin, smoky paprika, and a wonderful poultry seasoning. Of course, a little chili powder, a little cayenne. And we like to mix up our own Cajun seasoning. That's why we're calling this Chicken Cajun Stroganoff, which is absolutely wonderful. Or you can already buy your Cajun seasoning already mixed, but it's kind of fun to do your own thing. Okay, so that's it for now. And I'm going to be showing you browning my chicken and my sausage here in a few minutes. Okay, that grease is nice and hot, so I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken and my sausage. Yeah, my husband is really good at doing a good fire. What I'm going to do is just dump it in there. A lot easier. And what I want to do here is just brown this real nicely. And I'm going to go ahead and put my seasonings in here and let them just kind of cook in with that chicken. It's kind of a trick when you're cooking over a fire like this. Your pot wants to run around, but oh well. You know, that's all about outdoor cooking, right? Yes. Okay, these are nicely browned, so I'm going to go ahead and add my onions. These wonderful onions from our garden. Once again, I'm bragging. And then our mushrooms. And I'll keep stirring this until these get nicely browned, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, this is cooked for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and add about 4 cups of chicken broth. And you can add whatever chicken broth you love. I kind of like the Swanson's no salt chicken broth. That's about 4 cups. Well, not quite 4 cups. But as this is cooking, if I need to add a little more, I certainly can. You just don't want to add too much here. Oh boy, does this smell wonderful. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to eat. My husband's over there smiling. He can't wait to eat. Of course, if you like spicy, this is very, very good. But in the description below are the ingredients and the measurements of all of my spices that I used. And the ones that have more of a kick to them, you can certainly cut back on it, because not everybody likes real spicy. But boy, my husband and I love it. If it doesn't have a kick, out the door it goes. No, that's not totally true, but we do love food that's got spice to it and kick to it. And we're going to go ahead and put the lid on this and let this simmer for a while. And then I'm going to be adding my other ingredients. What we're going to do now for this wonderful, great recipe is we are adding 2 cups of cream of mushroom soup that I have added 1 cup of sour cream to. And we are going to stir this all together real well, blend it together, put the lid back on it, cook it probably for another 15 minutes, and then serve this over our favorite pasta. Oh my, is this going to be wonderful. I bet you wished you were here to join us. Of course, we would really love it if you would subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. And we would really enjoy it if you would do that for us. And of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. We're sure glad that you joined us with us today. You will love this recipe.